Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this exciting approved used Audi A1 Sportback S-Line 30 TFSI. It comes dressed in the eye-catching python yellow, shorter turn heads when on the road. Standing on 17-inch alloy wheels with a 5 twin spoke design, partly polished, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the leather and cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install the child's car seat. As you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery, with the front 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit and the MMI to the centre of the car's dash. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift pedal for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, and connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with friends and family. The MMI going into phone apps to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's USB port. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode such as dynamic for a more sporty drive. Parking aid for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you all those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place, and radio to choose from a variety of your favourite DAB radio stations. Below you have the manual air conditioning, so both driver and passenger can set preferred temperatures. Stay powered up on the go with the 12 volt and 2 USB charging points, with a compartment to hold your phone, with the volume button, and finishing off with the 6-gear box and 2 handy cup holders. If this is the car for you, call our friendly team today on 01782 488 205. Thank you.